Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and I am on the social team here at John Paul Mitchell Systems, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I go from wavy to sleek and straight using my loved Neurostyle Titanium Flat Iron. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning off my hair. This will ensure that I'm able to smooth out every single strand. And of course, I have to go in with a heat protectant. My favorite is the Neuro Protect. This is just going to protect my hair from any heat damage because we are going to be using a hot tool. So here you'll see that I'm using the chasing method. I prefer this method because it makes sure that the final result is extra sleek and smooth. So I'm just using my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and then chasing behind it with my Neuro hair straightener. So this hair straightener heats up to 450 degrees in 45 seconds. Today I have mine set on 370 degrees. In terms of thickness, my hair falls in the medium category, so I find that 370 is perfect for me. I've found that sectioning off your hair into small sections will leave you with a super sleek and smooth finish because it makes sure that you're able to run the straightener through each strand of your hair. This straightener always leaves my hair super shiny and healthy looking, and also leaves my hair with lots of movement. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is the hair that frames my face. So I like to make sure that I spend lots of good time on this section of my hair because this is the hair that is going to be mostly seen. So I like to make sure that it is sleek and beautifully smoothed out. So now I'm just going to go through and smooth out any sections that I might have missed. So here's a section here in the back. We want to make sure that we straighten that out so that everything is seamless and beautiful. So now I'm just going to take my paddle brush and brush everything together so that everything is blended, smooth, and seamless. And voila, you have a super sleek, straight look with the Neurostyle Flat Iron. I love it. This is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. Super easy, doesn't take a lot of time, and it's great. And of course, I have to finish it off with my Neurostyle finishing spray. This stuff is amazing and keeps my style locked in place throughout the entire day. So I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check back every week for new videos, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.